Hey guys, welcome back to Task Force Offroad. We have the first episode in the actual rebuild part of the GTX rebuild series, the 97, and we're going to start trying to remove these rivets. So I'm going to see if I can just chisel them off and then kind of knock them back through and then seal them and then deal with the insides once behind the point. But either way, these mats have to go, so stay tuned and I'm about to get in it. That's getting 12 volts. Check with the multimeter, check for volts. Let's see what the multimeter is going to give me for volts here. Okay, that's 12.76 volts. 12.52, so we're still getting 12 volts. So we're getting power. Now I want to check this fuse for continuity. So you can hear that. Now, one prong in one side. So that fuse has continuity. Alright, so I'm at a semi-confusing impasse here. If you guys know the answer to this and I post this before I figure it out, please leave it in the comments below. So both sides of the relay have power. That's good. That means nothing's interrupting the ability to start it power-wise, at least up to the relay. So we know, A, it's not a relay. No, because if we bridge the power, then the relay... the screwdriver trick didn't work. Nothing there's no clicking in the starter like it's the starter. I'm thinking it could be the ground to the starter that's just not completing the circuit. But I don't know. That's my guess right now. I'm kind of lost at this one. That's literally my only guess, is that somehow power from the solenoid is not getting to the starter to complete the circuit. Otherwise, we'd at least be getting a clicking or something when we try to start it, because the power is going through the relay properly, or through the solenoid, whatever you want to call it. It's the same thing. I'm gonna tear in more. I think right now it might be a starter ground. I'm starting to think that's my issue.
Okay, so it's been a couple days since working on the ski, and I think I have figured out of what the problem is. So I think I have a bad desk post. I didn't film this. I did a test. It was a off the ski test, or not powered test, rather. Ugh. So I'm gonna replace that right now. And if I'm right, we should be good to go. If I'm wrong, back to square one. Let's hope I'm right. So let's get to it.
Okay, the issue I'm having right now is the spot in here that allows this to come down. It's just extremely, extremely small, and it would be a pain in the balls to get the new one in there. Like, it's like it can fit, but oh man, would it be tight. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna splice it here. So we're gonna be able to see if it works, hopefully in like 10 seconds. I'm really hoping this is a problem. Okay guys, so what we see here is the wires are actually in really, really good shape. So what that's basically telling me is that the wires weren't corroded, and that's why we're getting a bad connection, which is leading me more to believe that the post itself was bad. So we're gonna finish up wiring this guy, and we're gonna test it. Fingers crossed. Come on. Well, that's not good news so far. But the beaver could be broken too. Do we have power? Let's try that again. So that's not our issue. Well, I'm gonna clean this up and finish the actual install. This was more so just a test. And then we're gonna figure out what's actually wrong with this, because I'm back to square one.
Alright guys, so where we're standing right now is it was not the desk post, and I'm super at a loss. So my next game plan is to start pulling things apart one by one and checking the electrical components within that, starting with like the starter and things like that. I have an automotive test light. I'm going to start using that too. That should help me track down power a little bit easier and a little bit more concrete than the way I was doing it. So I'm not the best with a multimeter in the first place. And with that being said, if you guys have any ideas, if you made it this far in the video, of things that I can do to attempt to troubleshoot that more, I am looking for those comments, and I'm reading all of them. So like, if you have any helpful hints, please leave them down in the comment section below. It will be greatly appreciated. With that being said, I apologize for this video taking so long to come out, because I've been really busy with work due to the whole current situation, and I haven't had much time to get back on the ski. So with that being said, guys, that is all for today's video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, It's that first day of first grade, that cute girl, your third date, that backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade. The first time you got laid, the worst time you got played. It hurt, but